Today is day 13 of Vlogmas and we are in the car park going to T1 to exchange this shirt cause they never take out the tags. So stupid. Yeah. So I'm back home now and guess what? I'm heading to Tampines again for dinner with my family. My mom need to buy abalone. I don't know for what. Yeah. And this is your boy super naughty. He just bite my watch strap. And anyway, yep. I see what I can get there. Anyway, today is quite boring because there's nothing much. Yeah, anyway, I'm going out soon. Now is 6:20. Yeah. See you. Time check now is 10 and I'm washing all the onesie inside. See? When you're watching this, please note that I really take care of you, okay? Me and Kai, you better treat me better. New update. The washing machine couldn't turn because it was too heavy, so my mom asked me to divide it into half. So I wash two onesie first, then after that another, and one wash is 1 hour. So I need to wait for 2 hours for onesie to be washed. Opening my advert calendar. Today is the 13th. Oh no. No man again. Determined to wear retainers today. So after this chocolate, I'll go and brush my teeth and wear my retainers. And I'm disinfecting. Is that the word? My retainers now with hot water. Because I haven't worn in months. Oh my god, what happened to my hair? And this is all the onesie. It's freaking heavy. Hi, I just put on my retainer and I can't even talk properly. I just make Poppy cry like a rebel. Oh, today is Vlogmas day 14. And we are at Starbucks. What you got?
This is your highlight of the
Yes, yeah.
the highlight of the day. Yes, let me introduce.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so she got Hershey's
Candy cane!
so it's like I think milk chocolate with candy cane.
Yay! But we got like
The boring old one.
Wait. Okay. Why our table is so messy? And we can't connect to Wi-Fi. Whose idea?
And someone chase us out right?
Must be this girl, I'm confused.
Okay.
Do you want to see yourself?
Nah.
No, sorry.
Oh. Try this.
Yay,
One,
candy cane.
2, 3.
Not very nice. I prefer almond.
A bit sweeter.
Yeah. You. They taste like chewing gum No, it's like the, you know that the matcha color one? The main one.
Time check now is 5 plus. And we haven't finished. Still got. Okay lah, finishing soon. Last day already. Why?
Yeah,
No problem.
our schedule is finishing soon.
Yeah.
But still got a lot of things to do.
Last day, and then we still need to do what?
A lot.
We are done. So I'm going to open my advert calendar. Today is the 14th. Where is it? I see. Okay, again. I left eating chocolate. Oh yeah, 14 means I only left 10 more to 8, which is 11 days more to Christmas. It's freaking fast. And I haven't got all my Secret Santa present yet. Still left like 2 or 3. Yep. Cutie pie! Eat it, Blackie! So cute, right? Oh, Blackie Durban. He looks so small here. Look at my mom recycling. What a good Singaporean. For yourself. My first record. This girl so nice, naughty. The one to 情中情. See their serious face. You're not serious, oh. Why you're not serious? No, you're not serious. Oh shit. I just walking back home from the bus stop and heading home for dinner. Just done having meeting with them at Starbucks at Mike Sense. Yep. Bye. Hi. So today is Vlogmas' 15 and I'm gonna open my Apple calendar. What's this is? Let this know. Oh my god, it's the same. I'm just gonna pop this with my ice cream in this mug. Yes. All done. I was catching up with my Sissy Go Go episode 7, my sister's house, to grab my Christmas tree and lightings so I can put up and then put my present underneath. Yep. Okay, then after that I will head to Changi Airport to pick my Ejie up because she is flying back from Bangkok. Yep. So that's a long night. We are at T1. Look at this. Look at that flag. Okay, my mom. It's not a photo, it's a video. Oh, there's one more of me. Sentosa. That chair will move on. Landed fast. This bag, mommy. On our way home. Okay, one mom or what? One pee. She didn't even eat.
For me, been an awful good girl.